Hi guys, so today I'm going to show you how to make a very simple bullet journal. As you can see, I've taken a very simple diary which was in my house. I found it. It is of LIC's. You can see, and it is written 2020. I'm going to use very simple stationery. As you can see, these are the stationeries, and this is the bookmark. I have just put a sellotape, which I have used as bookmark. And anyways, to separate the tracks, and it's not actually a bookmark anyways. So you can see the first one is this. You can see I've made very small calendars. Under July, I have done 5 calendars, and I have written Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. These are the simple stationery of black pen, blue pen, red pen, pencil and a scale. This is the mood tracker, and I have given this good, best, and I have written the dates the day before it. This is the so bad and worst. Whatever your mood is, you can write, and I have written the days, and under it I have written the dates. I have started from Monday, which I think that my week actually starts from Monday. That's why I have written, and I have separated. I have done a separate calendar for each mood, and then this is the November. You can see that there are many scratchings and scribblings. This is just a demo how to write. Just write Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and then write the dates. Yeah, 1 2 3 4 5 6. Yeah, this is the date. And then next is this thing here. The most important task should be noticed down. This is the to-do list you are seeing of July 2020. Like whatever you have, whatever task you have, you can write it. And I have just separated them into Greeks, and I have finished one page. I have written 31st, the month finished, and then I have started the August in the next pages. You can see I have just written rows and columns. With the date, I have written 1, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, and then I have written Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. That's it. Well, you can leave space as much as you want. It's completely upon you. Just think of your busiest day and you can do it. It's very simple, guys. You can see this is the basic, and the next one is the habit tracker. If you want, you can include it. If you don't want, then don't do it. I have given a quote, the best way to start my day, under meditation, which is actually, I think this habit I should incorporate in my daily life. That's why I have written it. And the next you will see sleep. And before going to sleep, I actually circle those things. But sleep, I don't know, I circle it the next day. Yeah, why should I know? I circle it the next day. The third is exercise. Whatever habits you want to incorporate, like studying, watching TV, or playing video games, you can write it. I don't know, these are good habits or bad habits, basically. And the last is my book of positive aspects. Here you can write many affirmations, your feeling of the day, anything that you want. Like I'm going to show, I just write that how I feel today. I have already completed few pages, but then I'll just write I'm good student. That's it. But you can include many other things you want, but just you can decorate it very nicely if you want. If you have those colorful pens and sketch pens and stickers, if you don't have them, just don't feel sad, because I also don't have now. I'll have someday, but now I don't have, and I have just used the simple diary and the simple stationaries. And don't feel demotivated. It's like a mini manager, and it's very good, guys. Just try bullet journaling. It will, make you disciplined. So this is it, guys. I hope you like this video, and see you next time, and thank you for watching.